Brad here from Noosa Prestige Painting. We're out here at Sunshine Beach where we've got major issues with this property. We've got mould in the mildews, we've got the paint flakes here all along the garage, and we've got massive render patches all around the property. So look, give us a couple of days and let's see what we can do. Alrighty guys, here we are a couple of days later. Complete transformation of this property out here at Sunshine Beach. Mould and mildews, all gone. Garage door, complete restoration. The house looks $1 million. The scope for this property was to increase street appeal, as well as it is a rental property, so some general maintenance and a tidy up. Roof looks $1 million. That's had a complete restoration also. So yeah, really stoked with how this property's turned out.